What is the cultural significance of Connemara? If you're curious about the cultural significance of Connemara, you're about to uncover a treasure of traditions, history, and natural beauty. Let's explore what makes this region in Ireland so special. Connemara, located in County Galway, is a place where traditions are alive and well. The region is part of the Connacht Irish-speaking Gaeltacht, which is the largest Irish-speaking area in Ireland. Here, you'll find that the Irish language is cherished by the locals, and it's not uncommon to hear it spoken in everyday life. The landscape of Connemara is as much a part of its culture as the people. With its wild terrain, rust-colored bogs, gray-blue lakes, and coral beaches, it's a haven for artists, photographers, and anyone who appreciates nature. The scenic beauty is complemented by the charm of towns and villages like Leenane, Roundstone, Clifton, and Letterfrack. Music is a big part of Connemara's cultural heritage. Drop into any of the local pubs, such as Molly's in Letterfrack or Lowry's in Clifton, and you'll likely hear traditional Irish music sessions. These sessions are a great way to experience the local culture and enjoy some lively tunes. Food in Connemara is also steeped in tradition. The region has a strong seafaring history, and smoked fish is a local favorite. You can visit the Connemara Smokehouse and Visitor Center to see the craft of smoking fish up close. For a taste of the local seafood, try the misunderstood Heron food truck, which serves excellent Killary Fjord mussels with a spectacular view. Connemara's history is rich and varied. The Connemara Heritage Center, near Clifton, offers a glimpse into the region's past, from prehistoric times to the foundation of the Irish Free State in 1922. Here, you can see reconstructions of ancient dwellings like crannogs and ring forts, and learn about the lives of the first settlers who were hunter-gatherers and later farmers. The region is also home to many historical sites, including Kylemore Abbey, which is famous for its beautiful gardens and a legendary love story. The Abbey is a must-visit for anyone interested in history and romance. Folklore and mythology are deeply embedded in Connemara's culture. The Irish Folklore Commission has recorded numerous stories and tales from the region, many of which are still taught in university courses today. One notable tradition bearer, Eamon Burke, was recorded telling tales that filled over 2,000 pages of manuscript, showcasing the rich oral tradition of the area. In summary, Connemara's cultural significance is rooted in its strong traditions, beautiful landscape, rich history, and vibrant folklore. Whether you're interested in the Irish language, traditional music, local cuisine, or historical sites, Connemara has something to offer everyone. This region is a living example of Ireland's rich cultural heritage.